time I've been proved wrong. Yeah, I hear about you from time to time. I call you up, you never hit me back. Well, I don't mind. It's just another lap around them tracks.
So cutting straight edge 2.0, I got this framing square. It's made out of steel and not powder coated or painted, so it's working a lot better than that level. It's causing me some frustrations.
A little celebration on the money back. You got some cheap cologne, trip to Vail, and a yoga mat. Oh man, you're cleaning up while I'm keeping tabs. A half education on the Upper West Side. You're medicated, situated for a lifelong free ride. I could hail you a cab.
The last two, 9 and 10.
We thought it'd be a cool idea to take one of our favorite pictures, blow it up, make it into a poster, and then offer it to you guys as a special edition. There's only going to be 10 of these made. They are marked 2023 limited print out of 10. We're going to hand sign them. These are going to be on the website, and they're going to be worth exponentially more points than, say, if you spent like a normal amount of money, whatever that point total ends up being. So these are going to be kind of a special edition. We want to offer a couple of these types of things throughout the giveaway to just make it a little bit more exciting and enticing, and give you guys something a little bit limited edition from the TGV boys, handmade.
Tab.